We're here at the Acacia Model by Home Dynamics. Let's go check it out.
The Acacia Model is a 4-bedroom, 3.5-bath home, has 3,162 square feet of living space, and is built by Home Dynamics. You can find this home in the Upper East Side of Orlando, just a few miles from the highly anticipated agri-hood, The Grow. Heartwood at Lake Louise is a smaller 38-lot gated community off of Lake Pickett Road, and one of the things that makes this neighborhood so attractive is the location. Not only will all of the homes have community lake access to Lake Louise, there are 8 lakefront lots available. My name's Tanin Teston, and I'm an Orlando realtor that helps buyers find the homes they love. Subscribe and follow along as I take you through some of the most beautiful homes in Orlando, introduce you to different neighborhoods, and even share our featured listings with you. So whether you're looking at homes for buying, for ideas, or for fun, we're here to be your Orlando guide to all things real estate. The primary suite is 16 by 16 square feet, and the bathroom plan comes standard with that amazing walk-through shower. Standalone tub is a fantastic upgrade to add. Stay tuned as we'll be sharing the Builder's Design Center that shows luxury options and high-end finishes to choose from to make this home yours to love. This home is an entertainer's dream with a spacious 21 by 16 foot living room adjoining the 23 by 18 foot family room. The kitchen is the heart of the home with views out back through the triple sliders, and it features a walk-in pantry. Even with all of this space in the home, it still feels cozy and comfortable. The split floor plan is perfect for peace and privacy from kids or guests, with the 3 guest bedrooms on the opposite side of the home. Each guest room is a generous 12 by 12 or 12 by 11 square feet. Reach-in closets in the 2 bedrooms that feature a shared bath, and a walk-in closet with a private bath in the 4th bedroom. The closest grocery store is Publix, which is 3 miles away, and for nearby dining and shopping, there's Waterford Lakes Town Center or Oviedo on the Park, both less than 10 miles. The Upper East Side of Orlando is known to be the home for those who work nearby at UCF, Siemens, Research Parkway, or the Space Coast. If this home looks like it could be the one for you, give us a call to schedule your personal visit and to see it in person. I'm Tanin Teston with the Teston team, your Orlando, Florida realtor.